How to add logo to Wix website. So go to the Wix website, and once you're here, go to the site that you want to edit. And then when you're in the dashboard, go click the search box at the top part. In here, just type in logo. A drop down menu will appear, and in the menu, just choose the logo settings. In here, you can just go to the logo part of the page wherein you can see the button labeled Upload Logo. Then you can just choose your logo from the files on your computer or the files that in your Wix website. Just tap on the file that you want and click Choose File, and then selected logo should appear. Another way is inside the Wix editor. Just click on Add Elements on the left panel, go to Image, then to upload and import, just click on Upload Images. A pop-up will appear. Just upload a file from your computer or drag files in. On the Choose Media Files window, just click on your logo, then just select a spot for your logo to be on your page. So that is how to add logo to Wix website. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.